Hey yo, what's good guys? You're tuning back into Sir Gora's show. I reached out about 60 subscribers on my YouTube channel. Thank you all for that. But I really need your help to keep on subscribing to my YouTube channel. And yeah, thank you so much for following me on Instagram too. Please keep on with the following and the subscribing. I appreciate it all guys. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your favorite YouTube song into your iPhone ringtone. I'm going to show you guys how to do it by changing the YouTube link into your iPhone ringtone on GarageBand. Alright guys, let's go. Alright guys, first thing you gotta go to YouTube and find for your favorite song. So I search for Tupac. And when we write on our enemies, okay, that's the one. Alright, I pick whichever video that you guys want. Then once you pick the video, you have to share and copy the link. Once it's copied, you go back to your Safari or Google Chrome, and then you find for ytmp3.cc. So now you have to paste the link and then initialize. So sometimes it will pop out a new window, standard advertisement. So you off it, delete it. Okay, now come back. So you press download, and then you can see up there on the top right is downloading. So now it's done downloading, so you can check back, see it's downloaded, so you can play it for a while and listen to it. Okay, you can even check in the folder of downloads just to confirm files and recent. See, it's over there. And then you can go to GarageBand, and now it's in horizontal. Click on the plus sign, click on audio recorder, and click on the top left of the timeline, the small button. And now it's 8 bars again. You have to set it up to 30 bars because 30 bars equals 30 seconds of the iPhone ringtone. So just set it up there, 30 bars. So once you set up, you have 30 bars on the timeline. Now you can pull the song from the loop, like the ribbon icon. I hope you guys remember it. And go to files and press browse item from the files app. Then you find for your song and press it. You have to wait for a while, it will appear. There you go. Now you can pull your song to the timeline. And remember, you just have to crop it, cut it, and delete the one before and pull the rest to the left. So at the end of the song, I pull all to the right. And once you are satisfied with your song, save your song on the top left icon, just like the previous video. And then click on your song and share it. And press ringtone. Just click continue and rename your song. So right now is Tupac, T-U-P-A-C, right on my fucking enemies. Alright, there you go. And then click export on the top right. Exporting. It's a bit slow. Okay, and then just press OK. Now you can go back to your settings, click on sounds and haptics, and click on your ringtone. Enjoy your song. I hope it helps you guys to pick any of your favorite YouTube songs and make it into an iPhone ringtone. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it a lot guys. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.